Hello everyone, I'm Gerard Mercado, and for today's video, I will be sharing with you my chosen career and job description. Hello, good morning everyone. I am Gerard Mercado. I choose to be a steward in a cruise ship. But before I go on the details, let me tell you what is a cruise ship. Cruise ship is our largest passenger vessel, used mainly from vacation and leisure, unlike ocean liners that are used for transfer cruise ship. Typical embark on a round-trip voyage to various ports of call, where passengers may go on tour now as a shore accession. The steward assists a keeping restaurant, bar, or lounge clean and sanitary. It also assists a cleaning dishes and tends to customer needs. The steward to ensure to get certification through the delivery of quality and consistent and smooth service. And then steward may also performing basic administrative tasks such as answering phone, taking reservations, and giving out basic information. The steward also helps to ensure that the bar area is fully stocked, set up, and maintained to the company high standard at all times. And the qualities of steward is of course with the positive personality, energetic, as work ethics, have excellent communication skill, lastly, as a customer service driving mindset. And there you go again, I am Gerard Mercado, soon to be steward. Thank you.